Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok on your iPhone from scratch. Whether you're completely new or just want to get better at the app, this tutorial will cover everything: setting up your account, navigating, making videos and sharing them. So you need to open your app store. Over here on the bottom there's a search bar. Select that, type down TikTok and search it. Over here we could see the TikTok videos, music and live. Tap on that option and select download icon. Over here we could see the TikTok is being downloading. So TikTok is a social media platform where people create, share and watch short videos, usually from 15 seconds to 10 minutes, and it's famous for fun, creative and viral content like dances, comedy, tips, life hacks and tutorials. So basically it's like a video version of Instagram. So after that, when the TikTok has been downloaded, select open. On the bottom you could see sign up option. If you do not have an account, select that. So you can either use your phone or email. You can continue with Facebook, with Apple or Google. So as I'm going with the Google, and it says TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in, select continue and select use another account at the bottom. After that, simply type down your email or phone number. After you're done, the TikTok will automatically sign into your TikTok here. So on the bottom you could see the continue option. Select continue. Here you can add your birthday and it would not show publicly in your profile. And after you're done, select continue on the bottom. Here we could say we can review your birthday. If you have done it correctly, you can simply select OK here and continue on the bottom. Here you can also create a nickname. It says TikTok would like to send you notification. If you want any notifications, alerts, sounds or icon badges from TikTok, you can simply select allow. But if you do not prefer this, you can select do not allow here. And here we could see choose what you like. So from the screen you can simply choose any of the option that TikTok has given to you and what do you like. And after you're done, you can select next on the bottom right, or if you want to skip this option, you can simply select the skip here. So here you can swipe to start TikTok with, and if you want TikTok track activity across other companies, apps or website, you can select allow. But if you do not prefer this, you can simply select ask app not to track. And here you can watch all of the videos by just swiping to the bottom. And if you want to watch the previous video, you can simply just swipe from the up and you can watch the previous videos as well. And here we can navigate to the home screen, and once your account is set up, you'll see the home screen with two main feeds here. Here we could see the for you page. Top we could see there's a for you page and the following option just beside the for you page. So here you can find all of the people videos that you have followed. So here we could see one of the video. You can simply tap to their profile. You'll simply get into the person's profile and you'll see here their username and their name on top. And that's two different places you could add a name. You'll also see how many people are following them and how many likes they had and how many people they are following as well. And on the bottom here you could see all of their videos, and simply slide to the left here again and you'll see all of the videos here. And here we could see on one of the videos all of the hashtags has been used. So simply tap on one of the hashtag here. Over here, if you want to join the hashtag, you can tap on the option on the bottom by selecting join the hashtag, and by that you can also make a video with the hashtag. And on the bottom you can see there's an option for the inbox as well, and inbox is all the activities on TikTok. So if people liked your videos, you could see all the different types of activities, likes, comments, mentions, all kinds of things. Even if TikTok send you a message, it will appear over here, and then you could interact with those messages here. You can also go to your profile on the bottom right, select the profile. So this is what a profile looks like. You have a username and your name here, and you can also set up your profile. Press on your profile here, and after that you'll land into this interface. What you can do is simply select change photo, and over here you can select your photo, and here after that you can also crop if you want just by pinching on the screen. You can either zoom in or zoom out. And if you want to post this to story, on the bottom left corner we could see the small circle. If you want this profile to be posted on your story, you can simply select that, which is automatically selected. But if you do not want to, select that circle icon again, and the profile photo will not be uploaded to your story. And after you're done, select save on the bottom right. Here the photo has been uploaded to your profile. And in the following, you'll find all of the videos of people that you have followed. And if you want to discover more friends, here you could say just beside the home icon, select friends. And if you want TikTok to access your contact, you can simply select continue so that you can find your friends. Or if you do not prefer this, you can select do not allow here. If you want to connect with friends to view their post, you can connect with contacts, with Facebook friends, or you can simply invite your friends as well. And here we could see there's an inbox just beside the plus icon, and here you find all of the chats and conversations with your friend. And on the bottom there we could see there's a plus icon to create and make new videos. So if you find any of a video that you enjoy or like, you can simply hit the follow button to see more from that creator. Here we could see there's a plus icon just in the profile. You can simply select that, and here you can just follow one of the account. Here you'll get more videos from this account, and you can also like by just double tapping on the screen like this. And if you want to save this video, you can select this icon just below the comment section here, and it will be automatically saved to your profile here by going to the profile in the bottom right corner here. And we could see that this icon, select that, and all of the saved videos will be saved here. And if you want to comment, you can simply select this option in the middle and type down and select this icon here. If you want to share this with any of your friends, you can tap on the share icon here on the bottom, and you can invite friends to chat, or you can simply send to any of the friends. And after you're done tapping on the friend's profile, select send on the bottom, and this is it. And if you like the sound of this video, you can select the sound option on the bottom right corner here on the circle icon. You can also add the sound to your favorites if you want by just tapping on the option of add to favorites. And if you want to use the sound, if you want to create a video, you can select use sound here. So in order to create a video, you need to allow access the camera to TikTok, select allow. And you are also required to access the microphone, select allow. And here you'll find all of the effects on the bottom. We could see all of the effects here. Just choose whichever you like. And also here we could see the timers, how many seconds the video you want to create. So here's a 15-second. You can also choose 60-second or the 10-minute. So here we could see in the top right corner there's a flip icon. You can switch between front and back camera just like this. When you tap to this option, here the camera just flip to the backwards, but if you tap again to that option, here it just comes to the front. And you can also slow down or speed up your video. So as I'm choosing the 15 seconds video, you need to hold the red record button on the bottom, and after that you just are making the video. And in order to pause it, you can simply release to pause by just not pressing it. So you can also trim if you need it. You can simply go to the editing in the right corners of all of the option here on the top. Over here, if you want to trim a video, you can simply select the video here, and you can simply trim it just by sliding on the screen here. And if you want to use any of the features on the bottom, you can either split the video by tapping on the split here. So you just split the video. You can replace if you want by just tapping on the replace from your library. And if you do not like this video, you can simply select the trimmed video here and select delete. And you can also have the option for speeding up. If you want your video to speed up, select the speed up on the bottom. Here you can change it from normal to the max here. If you want to crop, select crop by just zooming in and zooming out. And if you like it, you can save it on the bottom right. So all of the basic features here we could see on the bottom. You can choose it wisely as your preferences wise. And after you're done, select on the top right corner of this icon. Here if you want to add a description to the video, you can do that as well. And if you want to put any trending hashtags, you can go to the hashtags here. For example, I'm going to FYP here and select this hashtag which has 1.8 billion posts. And if you want to mention one of your friends, you can also select to mention here on the bottom. And you can also choose who can view this post. For example, here we can see the everyone can view this post option. You can select this. If you want everybody to watch your post, you can select everybody. But if you only want your friends, you can select your friends. Or if you do not want anybody to see your post, if you only want only you can see your post, you can select only you here. And you can also see the more options. Select the more options. Here you could allow the comments if you want other people to comment just by toggling on this button. If you do not prefer, so you can simply toggle it off. And also who can duet, stitch stickers, or add to story of your video, you can toggle on, which is already toggled on. But if you do not prefer this, toggled it off. And here we could see all of the options. If you want this video to be AI generated content, you can simply toggle it on and select on if you want. And make sure you always check allow high quality uploads. Always toggle on this option. If it's like this, toggle it on. And if you want this video to automatically save to device which is already toggled on, so this is how you can do it. And if you want to save the post with watermark, you can simply toggle it on, but if you do not prefer, so toggle it off. And you can also control the audience here, and this video is limited to those aged 18 years and older, but if you want to toggle it on, this video will only reach to the people who are 18 and older than 18. But if you do not prefer any age preferences, so simply toggle it off. And here, and after you're done, you can post it, but if you want to put this in drafts, you can select drafts as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. If you have any trouble using TikTok, you can simply comment down and we will reach out to you.